I feel like I'm always making my bed in my videos, but the bed needs to be made. It's winter now and it's absolutely freezing. I guess if you live in any other part of the world, you'd think that Australian winter is not cold. And it probably isn't as cold as like winters in other places, but it's 5 degrees inside my house and I'm not okay with that. I've added this extra blanket to my bed to keep warm and cozy at night, but like, to be honest, I'm still pretty cold and I need like something else, or like warmer pajamas or something. I have a few things I want to do today. It's just a rainy Saturday. I was going to go out to the markets with one of my friends, but the markets in the rain is no fun. And we wanted to go for a walk around Glebe Point after, but again, it's like literally pouring, so not much we can do. I do have like 3 borderline rotten bananas though, so I think it's the perfect time to make a banana bread. I've also been craving it for the last couple of days. I saw a video on like Insta Reels or TikTok or something of a girl like adding different things to her banana bread and like making different like apple banana bread and like caramel banana bread and stuff. I don't know, it looked really good and like, I don't know, I'm just craving it now. I have my tracksuit pants over my heater because I'm trying to dry them. I washed my hair this morning after my workout, feeling very clean girl aesthetic. It's getting pretty long now. I actually got a haircut not too long ago, but I feel like because it was like a healthy little trim that my hair literally just grew back in like a week and it's already back to like the length that it was before, so kind of counterproductive, but maybe not. Maybe it was productive to get my hair cut because now my dead ends are gone and it's growing out again. Why am I out of breath from making my bed? Anyway, banana bread time. Welcome to my kitchen, where the lighting is atrocious, but we move. I'm using the pecan maple banana bread recipe from the Global Vegan Cookbook. I feel like if you were on the internet in the vegan space a couple years ago, you would be familiar with this. This was like a viral cookbook by Ellie Bullen. She ran the blog Elsa's Wholesome Life. And I bought this cookbook with my first paycheck from my first job. There's some really good recipes in here. I haven't made all of them, but I really should. Like, I don't use this book as much as I should. Like, these are chai spiced cookies. They sound really good. Maybe I'll make those as well. But for now, banana bread. I've done this recipe a million times. It's the best one I've ever found. I'm not doing the pecans or maple though, because I don't have pecans or maple, and I'm kind of thinking I want to make this like a chocolate one, so I'm going to put chocolate on top instead of nuts. But yeah, first step is to mash the bananas. I've got my 3 borderline rotten ones here and we're just going to chuck them in. I feel like this is turning into a how to make banana bread tutorial. I'm sure you guys know, and I'm sure you guys know how to follow the recipe. I listened to Gracie Abrams' new album yesterday. It came out yesterday. I listened to it when I was on my walk and life-changing. It's really good. I'm not that much of a Gracie Abrams girl at the moment. I love Phoebe, I love Taylor, I love Lana, and I feel like she kind of falls into that same category. But I don't know, I've just like never gotten super into her music, but I love her new album. I've been listening to it a bit this morning as well. My favorite one is, I don't remember the name. Give me 1 second. Blowing Smoke is my favorite song on the album so far. I also really love Tough Love and Us with Taylor Swift. Although I kind of wish Taylor Swift, like, you could hear her a bit more, because I feel like she was mainly doing like backing vocals, which sounds beautiful, but like we wanted the feature, you know what I mean? Okay, that's like a perfect 250 grams of banana. I kind of slayed. I forgot I made myself a cup of tea. This is green tea and lemon juice. Yummy. So I might do like 90 grams of sugar. Okay, perfect. And then how much butter? It was 3 tablespoons. This angle is a little bit better, like you can see me clearly, but you can also see my very unglamorous kitchen. I'll use my half cup measurement. My camera's about to die. I never charge it, I'm not gonna lie. It just sits under my bed until I feel like filming something. So I might go make the rest of this banana bread. Charge my camera, and we will check in later.
Shoes that belong to you. For all the lies and did she feed those parodies had given me, at least I now know my own body. Daydreaming who I'll be next time I'm wandering. There are things that I could say.
I dragged my lamp to the end of my bed because there's no light over here. And it's dark and I'm painting my nails and I want you to be able to see it. Do I do red? I feel like that's just very classic. I also bought this lilac the other day. And I have the matching, like, is this an undercoat or a top coat? Quick drying top coat. And I think this will last best with this. So maybe I'll be different and do lilac instead. I'm gonna go out with my friend who I haven't seen in months tonight, and we're gonna go to a new bar in the city. Even though it's freezing and pouring outside still, we persist because a girl's gotta have a good time.
We drank all that.
Damn, fly guy, I've been watching it. Said I go by the name. You know it's saying that you can be more famous, sure they can. You should be putting my in that seat, but man, I said he's a fairy, and he's supposed flying through the air. The pantyhose, he may be very sexy on TV, but he